Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from DinOnlinePitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Virafic. Stay tuned. Now, in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Virafic works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch is going to go live on September 12 at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And once you click on the link down below in the description of this video, you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here, and it's going to go through to the sales page, and then that's where you can go ahead and pick this up. And not only that, but you'll be able to get all my free bonuses offered over here. So you make sure that you click the link down below in this description of this video, and then you can click on these yellow buttons here so you can retrieve all my free bonuses offered of the Virafic product. Now I want to talk about what the Virafic is all about. So basically, to put it briefly, Virafic is a cloud-based software that gets you free traffic. Plus, you can get paid every time someone's clicked a special link that is created by the software. And now with this method, it is now possible to get paid without selling anything. There is no content creation required to make profit from this. And this is proven by the beta testers here. And now, as you can see, they tested this product, and here are the testimonials that they mentioned about this product. As you can see here, Tom is a retired person here from New Jersey, and he actually tried the software and is making money within 4 hours. Damon, a housewife in Florida, actually tried this method and it works for her. So same thing with Ross Perry in Canada. He is actually one of the beta testers for Virafic, and it does work. As you can see here, he had a leg injury and now he is doing the Virafic, and it's proven that it works. Then finally, Siddhar Red, actually from India, he's a farmer and he's making money from this product. And as you can see here, this is proven that Virafic actually works. This method is gonna, as you can see here, you can make money from this. But at first you will be making about $100, but then as you keep going, then you're gonna start generating traffic and you can get more money with this method. Now I want to talk about the benefits of Virafic. Now you can pretty much replicate how the creators of this program do with this method. So it's simplified for you to do, and you don't have to do all this technical stuff. That's why this program is great for beginners and newbies. So all you have to do is log into Virafic anywhere you go, because the system is cloud-based and it is set up, and you just pretty much activate it, and that's all it is. And it doesn't take too long for this to do. And now I want to show you the demo of Virafic works. Now sit back and enjoy.
So I'm right here in the dashboard. You're going to find some statistics on your account. This shows how many visitors you have across all your campaigns. Also shows you the number of campaigns you have created on your account. And also here you can see the total number of done for you campaigns on your account. Now the first thing you want to do when you get access to Virafic is to go to your profile. In the profile section, you'll be able to add your ClickBank affiliate ID. Once you do that and you click on Save Profile, all the done for you campaigns that actually come with your Virafic account become active with your own affiliate links. Now to create your own campaigns, all you need to do is go to dashboard, and then you can basically select the type of campaign you want to create. Let's say you want to create an image ad. Just click on create image ad, and then you can basically give your campaign a name. Let's say the affiliate campaign, and how to make money So now you can basically go and search for YouTube videos that you can use for your campaigns. So you need to enter your keyword, that's your search keyword, and click on search now. And Virafic actually goes to YouTube to go and search for videos based on your keyword. And then you can actually go ahead and use any of these videos. Let's just say this one. So right now we've selected this particular video. Now you'll also be able to select a cover image for your video. So let's just say success. You can basically type any keyword here. All you need to do is click on search now, and it also goes to go and find stock images that you can use for your video cover. So let's just select this one. Now we've selected our video and also our thumbnail image. Now let's select the campaign image, which is actually going to show up in our video campaign. So we can basically go ahead and upload any image right from our PC. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this. Now I just uploaded an image. Now we have the opportunity to set when this image is going to show up on our campaign. So let's just say this shows up after 3 seconds and then disappears after, let's just say disappears after 15 seconds. And also we can select the position of our image on the video campaign. So let's just say this shows up on the top right hand corner of the video. You can also select if you want your video to autoplay or not. Let's just select autoplay, and then this is the affiliate link that your image is going to be pointing to. If anybody actually clicks on the image, it's going to take them straight to your link. This might be a link to your website, your blog, your affiliate links, or whatever type of link you want to add here. So let's just add our link right here, and then this is where the magic also happens. Virafic allows you to generate content just by clicking a single button. If I click on fetch content right now, Virafic actually goes to the YouTube video that we have selected, and it gets the closed caption for this video. Now this is the spoken word in this video converted into an article. Now if the video, because obviously not all videos have this closed caption, if the video does not have closed caption, you are going to find out here that this video doesn't have closed caption, and you can actually go and select any other video that has a closed caption. Also, this is completely editable. You can basically copy and paste here. You can add images. This is a rich text editor that you can also easily customize. Now once we are fine with our campaign, all I need to do is click on create campaign, and then you can see that our campaign is created. You can copy link, you can edit, you can also preview your campaign. So let's just click on preview campaign to see how our campaign looks like.
Percent of success is
so just as we have set this up, our image shows up at the top right hand corner of our video, and if anybody clicks on this image, it's going to take them to the link that we have set up in our campaign. Now also you get access to different options to actually promote and start getting instant free traffic to your affiliate campaigns. Now there are also different types of campaign you can create. If I go back to the dashboard, you can also create button campaign, which gives you access to done for you buttons, which you can actually select and then send, add your link to that, and also use that to actually send people to any affiliate link. So you can actually select any type of button. There are different types of button that you have here that you can basically come and select from, and also the same way you can select your video, select images, and create your campaign. Not only that, if you go back to the dashboard, Virafic allows you to create video ads. Now this way you don't even need to sell anything in order to make money. using these video tags. So let's just go ahead and create our image. Let's say total success. Let's say how to get paid online and make money online. Let's select our video. So let's just select this one. Now we'll have a video, and also let's say luxury. Let's search for thumbnail, and then let's select a cover image right there. Now this is where you also select if you want your video to autoplay. So let's just say yes, and now all you need to do is go and get your Google ad tag, and then I'm just going to go come to my account here. This is just a demo tag basically, and then I'm just going to come and copy the Google tag and come and paste this right here. If you want content, you can also generate content. I'm just going to leave it empty and click on create campaign, and then just like that, as you can see, our campaign has been created. All I need to do is click on preview to see how our campaign looks like, and then this loads up our campaign, and then our video starts to play based on the autoplay setting that we have added in our campaign, and also the video ad starts showing up on our campaign based on the video tag that we have added. And if anybody actually clicks on the link, this is how you get paid even without you having to sell anything. Yes, they have the option also to skip the ad and actually view the video on our campaign. So that's how easy it is to create campaigns using the Virafic software. If you go back, you also have the opportunity to start sending a ton of free traffic to your campaigns, and we've also provided video training on how to start getting a ton of free traffic to profit with your Virafic campaigns.
Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now, to click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And to pick up Virafiq, this is going to go live on September 12th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, to claim my bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. All you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description of my video. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about my bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, and you can send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through my bonus page, and just click on it, and then just feel free to look up my bonus page here. And actually, right besides my bonuses, I actually have to show you my upgrades of the Virafiq over here. So go ahead and check out this available upgrades of the Virafiq here. So you'll find that down below in the description of my video, and feel free to check on this, and you can actually go ahead and check it out. If you want to increase the chances of getting more money, you can actually upgrade this available upgrades here, and then go ahead and check that out. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of my video to purchase a Virafiq, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review video. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you all my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in the description that comes through my bonus page here, And then you can actually, if you have any questions about my bonuses, you can follow me on my Facebook page, send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Virafic review, and I hope you enjoy my review video. So make sure to click the link below to purchase Virafic at a discounted price. And also don't forget to check out my bonuses, where you can check out down below in the description of this video. I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.